Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a quotation tally prime. First, select a meaningful quotation, perhaps one with 20 to 30 letters. Next, you will assign a numerical value to each letter. For instance, A will be 1, B will be 2, and so on, up to Z as 26. This initial step is crucial for converting your chosen words into a numerical sequence. We'll then sum these values to get a total. Now let's assign values. Take your quotation and for every letter write down its corresponding number. Remember, A is 1, B is 2, and this continues sequentially through the alphabet. For example, if your quotation starts with hello, H would be 8, E would be 5, L would be 12, and O would be 15. Disregard any spaces or punctuation marks. Focus only on the letters themselves. This ensures a clean numerical conversion. With all your letters converted to numbers, the next step is to sum them up. Carefully add every single number you've assigned. For example, if your numbers were 8, 5, 12, 12, and 15, your sum would be 52. It's a good idea to perform the addition twice to confirm your total. This final sum, a single number, represents the numerical tally of your entire quotation. This number is what we will test for primality. Finally, let's check if your quotation's tally is prime. A prime number is a whole number greater than one that has exactly two distinct positive divisors, one in itself. For example, 7 is prime, but 9 is not, as it's divisible by 3. You can consult a list of prime numbers or try dividing your sum by small prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, and 7. If it's only divisible by 1 in itself, congratulations, your quotation tally is prime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.